Alright, welcome to SC Designs. To my amazement, this actually did set already in the 15 minutes that it says it will. You got to work with it quick, and that's very good because, you know, the daylight is going quickly. So this is just to show you the before, the after, and the after, I guess, that it's actually dried hard. So again, another real quick video just to show you the progress. Next, what I got to do is put in the 2x4s, cut them down. One goes on right, one goes on left. That board up there is structurally sound. All right, so and I already cut these boards that are under the siding flush. So in theory, my door should now slide in. We'll see. Stay tuned.